Hello, happy little stars. Today I'll draw Bluey with her friends and family, all smiling together under the warm sunshine. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a lovely story about Bluey, Bingo, and everyone they love having the best day ever. Before we begin, tap the like button so Bluey's family can giggle louder and her friends can jump higher. Yay! Let's start our story now. The morning sun was glowing bright. Birds sang happily in the light. Bluey woke up with a big stretch, her tail wagged fast, ready to fetch. "Morning, Bingo," she called with cheer. Bingo rubbed her eyes. "I'm awake. I'm here." Dad peeked from the door with a smile so wide. "Who wants pancakes?" he said with pride. "Can you pretend to flip pancakes like Dad?" Flip them high, splat. Not bad. They ate their breakfast with giggles and fun. Bluey and Bingo each had one. Mum smiled softly. "Let's go to the park today." Bluey jumped happily. "Hooray, hooray!" After breakfast, they packed their snacks, juice, sandwiches, and cookie packs. Dad carried the picnic bag while Bluey skipped, no time to lag. At the park, the day looked bright. Their friends were waiting. Such a sight. Coco waved her paw in the air. "Hi, Bluey. Bingo. Over here." Rusty and Indy were playing with sand. Snickers was drawing lines by hand. Bluey ran fast, her heart full of glee. "Let's play together," she shouted with glee. Bingo twirled around. Her laughter filled the ground. Mum and Dad sat under a tree, watching their pups play happily. "Can you spin around like Bingo now?" "Spin, spin, spin, wow, that's how." They started with tag, racing in the sun. Rusty chased Snickers. "Oh, what fun!" Bluey darted left. Bingo ran right. Their giggles echoed pure and bright. Then Coco shouted, "Let's play pretend." Indy smiled. "I'll be a fairy again." Bluey said, "I'll be the brave explorer." "And I'll be a hero," said Bingo, not slower. Together they imagined magical lands, flying dragons and golden sands. Dad joined in with a pirate growl. "Arr, I'm Captain Bandit, fierce and foul. Can you give your best pirate roar?" "Arr, matey, say it once more." The kids cheered loud as Dad chased them proud. Mum laughed softly. "Oh, what a sight! Our little pirates sailing bright." After so much fun, they took a rest, sharing snacks that Mum packed best. Bluey munched cookies, Bingo drank juice, Coco shared fruit, apple and spruce. They talked and laughed. The sky turned gold, stories and dreams began to unfold. "Let's promise to play again tomorrow," said Indy sweetly, without sorrow. Bluey nodded with a loving grin. "Every day with you is a win." Bingo hugged her sister tight. "I love you, Bluey, day and night. Can you give yourself a big hug too? Wrap your arms tight, just like Bluey would do." As the sun set and stars appeared, Mum called softly, "Time to head home, my dears." Dad lifted Bingo up. Bluey held his hand. Their hearts were warm, life felt grand. Back at home, they cuddled on the bed, listening to stories before resting their head. Bluey whispered, "Today was the best." Bingo yawned, "I need a nap and a rest." And as they drifted to sleep so deep, their love for family and friends would keep. Because with laughter, kindness, and play, Bluey's world stays happy every day.